To Gagan side. Today is the 7th class mathematics. Chapter number is the 7, data handling. Today we will learn the exercise 4. Exercise 4 remaining problems. Yesterday class, continue the yesterday class. Same exercise. Page number is the 161. Bar chart you can understood of the all of the bar and double bar graph you could under yesterday class. Are you understood? I can say neatly. Okay, shall I goes to that today is the second remaining problems or 3 problems are there in what the same exercise 4. Let us start the second and pie charts problems 4 and 5. Okay, today 3 problems. So this chapter is over, so that's why let us start at the second problem. First of all, I read in your, you can understood of that yesterday examples of the pie charts. You can understood, I can say neatly. Explain with pie charts, one diagram. You can this is the one diagram. So how to draw that the pie charts also you are explaining in our previous class in theory part. You can understood? Are you understood? See,
understood.
If no one words, you can let us start at the exercise problem. Same process, you can do it that same process. Let us start at the first one. Second problem. First of all, I read in your textbook. Page number is the 161. Draw a pie charts for the following data. Item of expenditure, amount spent in rupees. Food. What is the item of expenditures? Food, health, clothing, education and savings. And next one is the amount spent in rupees. Rupees here it is the 3,750 and health is also 1,875 and clothing is also 1,875 and education is the 1,200. Savings is the 7,500. This is the given data. Here it is. You can draw the pie charts. Pie charts and following the data. First of all, how to draw the if any radius, if it's also you can draw that the convenient radius with you can draw the one circle only. So that's why you can take the one circle. You can say neatly you can solution. You can write down the solutions. This is also notes. Yesterday our second problem, exercise 4, all problems and solutions. Today our 29th date and then is the solutions. You can start with the solutions. First of all, you can any convenient radius. With radius you can draw the one circle only. So that's why you can let us start with the pie charts. Draw a pie charts. So that's why you can first of all you can draw the circle. Okay, I can say this is the convenient radius. With radius you can draw the circle only. So that's why this is the middle point is the O. You can draw that one radius. Draw the line. That is also you can A point. After later I leave it only. After later angle you can measuring the angles. You can draw that the after later only. So first of all you can this is that only pie charts are can draw only. Here it is. So that's after later you can data table. You can write down the data table only. So that's why you can draw the table. First is the item. What is the first one? Is the item of expenditure, but your short form you write it only item. And next one is the another column is the amount spent in rupees, amount and rupees only. So that's why another column is the ratio of this level, ratio. And another one is the ratio and angle. Okay, you can understand, I can say. You draw that table data in that the above problem. Yeah, first one is that first item is the expenditure. First item, what's the first item is the food. We write it in that all are the item of expenditures. You can write down here, it is the names. You can health, second one is that health, and third one is the clothing. Yeah, next one is the education, educating. Okay, yeah, educating. And rupees, what's the rupees? 3,750 rupees. And health is also 1,875, and same clothing is also same amount, 1,875. And educating is also, what are the educating is 1,200. And last one is that what's the saving. Book is also there, savings only. So what's the savings is 7,500. Yeah, you can this like. Yeah, ratio means is that amount by total only. So what's the total here? What's that this total? Total is the 16 to 100 only. You calculate this like only, or 5 5s or 10, you can total this like only. After your calculation is also here there only. So that's why this like only 16. Total is the total amount is the rupees of 16,000 to 100 rupees. And next is the ratio. You can write down the ratio, amount by ratio. Food ratio equal to amount by 3,750 by total amount. So that's why is 6,200. So ratio or calculation part in that the second problem, but here it is the calculation part is another book. So this is the food ratio, and this is 750 by 16 to 100 only. This is the second problem calculation, that chapter. Yeah, what is the first or fifth table? 5 7 ja, next 5 5 ja, here 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja, 10, 5 4 ja, 40. 0 0 cancel. So that's why again is the 3 table. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. So that's why 3 1 ja 0, 3 8 ja 20, 108. So that's why 25 by 108. So directly write it here, it is 25 by 108. Angle, you can write down the angle. Total angle of the center of the angle is 360 degrees. Do you know already in your previous classes already know that one 360 degrees? You can already the center of the total angle of that circle equal to the 360 only. So that's why the what's here, it is the 108 into 360. So calculation part Gagan say here it is also are finishing there. Here 3 table 3 3 here it is that what's the table? Table. So 12 3 ja 36 0 or 12 9 ja 108 and 3 3 ja and next 3 10 ja. So the 225 by 3 only. So 225 by 3 means is that divisible by 225 by 3 is the 83.3. 8 3 ja 24. So 1 0 and number of next is a 10 3 3 ja 9. So 1 remainder is the 1 and next is the 0.3. So 0.3 means is the 5 above you can 5 or 6 or 7 above it. If it's take that one more you can add up that before decimal point. So that's why you can here it is the only 3 before 3 got. So that's why you take it to the angle of 83 only. Okay, Here it is the after point or 5 or 6, 7, 8 or take it that one only. So that's why you can here it is that only 0.3. So that's why you are only 83 angles. Food equal to 83 angles. This like is the 83 angles. Okay. Next is the health. Health is also ratio. Health ratio and 1875 by total 16,200. So that is also your calculation for Gagan size. Second one, health ratio 8075 by 16,200. So that's why you can fifth table only. 5 3 ja 15, 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20, 0. Next again is the 5 table only. 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25. Here it is the 5 6 the 30 and next is the 2 is there only. So that's why is the 24, 5 4 ja 20, 5 8 ja 40. Next is the 3 table. Okay. What's the 3 table? Here it is also 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja it's over. Next is the 3 table. 3 2 ja 6. Next 3 5 ja 25. Here it is the 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 1. Okay. 3 6 ja 18. 25 by 216. 25 by 216. The angle, you can find out the angle. 225 by 216 into 360 degrees. Okay, Gagan say each angle of that each sector angle you can find out the each one only. So that's why you can understand Gagan say. Yeah, what's on here it is. This is a calculation part. And 3 table 3 1 ja 1, 3 2 ja 6, 0. And here it is a 3 7 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6. Next is the 12 table. 12 10 ja 120 and 12 6 ja 72. So 3 next is the 2 table. 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. So that's why is a 25 cross of 5. 125 by 3. Okay. 125 by 3. 125 by 3 divisible by 3. So 125 you can have 3 4 ja 12. So 5. Next one is that one more is that 3 1 ja 3. So remainder is the 2. Next is the 0.0 and 3 6 the 18. 18 is the 2. So our 0.6 only or above the 5 above. So that's why you can take it the one point is added in that before only, before decimal. So that's why you can 42. Health is the 42. You can understand Gagan side. Here this is that calculation is that 125 by 3. So that's why is the 42 degrees. Okay. Gagan side you can understand calculation part is the another page only. Why? Because you can use a very lengthy of calculation. So that's why you can, this is the no space only. You can write it another page. You can before you can finishing there is the calculation part. So that's why I explaining in this page only. You can understand Gagan side neatly. Yeah, next one is the third one. Third is also 1875 clothing also. Clothing is also both are the same only. So that's why you can amount by total amount, that is also here it is also same 25 by 216. So that's why 25 by 216 into 360 degrees. So that's why is a 125 by 3 equal to, that is also r 42 degrees. Why? Because both are the same amount only. So next one is the educating. Educating means is the 1200 by 200, 16,200. So that's why 20 cancel. So that's why is the, here it is also here it is a calculation part there, another book side. Yeah, 2 6 the 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 1. Next is the 3 table. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. 3 7 ja 21. So 2 by 27. The 2 by 27. Yeah, next is the 2 by 27 cross of 360 degrees equal to 2 by 27 into 360. So that's why here it is the 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6 0 and 3 9 ja 27. Next is the 3 4 ja 12 0. Okay. Next here it is the 3 3 ja 9. So 2 cross 40. 42 ja 80. 80 by 3. 80 by 3. 80 divisible by 3. So 3 is divisible of 8 gagan side. 8 2 ja 6. So that's why 2 0. Next is the 3 6 the 18. That is also you can borrow of 1. So that's why you can remainder is also 2 0 and 1 8 or up to 26.6 only. So that's why your point of 5 above. So that's why your after decimal point 5 above. So that's why you can take it 1 before you can add up 1 only. So that's why is the 26. Here it is the 27. 1 add up this like only 27. 26 plus 1 is the 27. So this is the 27. What's here it is 80 by 3. So that's why is the 27 degrees. Next one is the savings. Savings is also write it the steps are 7,500 by total amount for 16,200 equal to 220 cancel. Here it is the simplify that other part calculation gagan say listen better. Here what's the 3 table. 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 50. Next 3 4 ja 12. Here it is the 25 by 54. 25 by 54. 25 by 54 cross of 360 degrees equal to what sir can simplify this one gagan side. Here it is that 3 1 ja 1. 3 2 ja 6 0. 3 1 ja 1. 3 8 ja 24. Next one is the 3 table. 3 4 ja 12 0. 3 6 the 18. Next again 2 table. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 2 20 ja 40. So that's why 25 cross of 20 equal to 500. 25 cross 20 equal to 500 only. Multiplication of the 25 cross of 20 equal to the 500. 25 20 ja 500 by 3. So divisible by 3. So that's why 500 divisible by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and again 2 0 and 3 6 the 18 and next is the 18 1 6 6 only. So that's why you can savings is the 166 only. What's rate it is the 500 by 3. So that's why is the 166 only. You can understand again say neatly. Yeah, totally you can all are that check it only. Sum of the angles of the all are that sectors are equal to the 360 degrees. Yeah, total angles is the 360 degrees. 6 or this is the 4. Okay. It is also our same. You can already you can countable. You can this like only 360 degrees. Yeah, you can draw the 5 charts using with the data. Yeah, draw first of all you use a protractor. First one is the food only. Okay, food angle you can draw the food angle. First you can draw the one line OA line. It's over. Yeah, put that on that protractor using the protractor. See better neatly. I are explaining on that notebook. Look at it again say neatly. Yeah, what's that? The 83 degrees. Food is the 83 degrees. So that's why 83. Where here it is at 80 and 1 2 3 only. So here it is the 3. Mark the point. You can draw the line. Okay, Gagan say this is the 83 degrees. What's the, this one is the what's one? Food only. Okay, food. Next one is the next item is the health. Health is the 42 degrees. So you can use the protractor. You can draw the another angle that is also 42 degrees. 42, 40 and 1 and 2. Here it is the 2 only. So that's why you can draw the (42). This is the 42 degrees. That is the item is the health item. Okay, you can see another one is also 42. Protractor, with your protractor you can mark the angle. That is also our what's next item is also our 42 degrees. So that's why I put the mark in the 40 and again is the 2 only. So that's why you can draw the line neatly. Product you can calculation part very important. This is also our 42 degrees and this is the next item is also clothing. Next item clothing. Clothing is also 42 degrees and another one is also educating. Educating is the 27 degrees. How to draw the 5 charts? Okay, how to measuring that all are the angles you can very important. Be carefully say neatly. Yeah, another one is also 27. Another angle is the 27. Yeah, here it is a 25 and one more 2 points. This like only. I can draw this one. Okay, this is the 27 degrees. What's the item name? Educating. Yeah, remaining is the savings 166. So that's why you can once you check the all are the Gagan side neatly. Once you check it, is it are there all are the 160 there? It's correct or wrong? If you say check this one only. 166. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah, 160 and here it is also exactly there Gagan sai neatly. Yeah, 160 and here it is also 6 there only. So that's why you can understand Gagan sai neatly. Okay. Otherwise this also you can using this one only. Mark this one. Yeah. Here it is also 160. Okay, this angle is also 166 angle. And that one, what's that angle? Here it is that item is the savings only. Savings. Yeah, first of all you can know all of that colors are another decorations, any decorations and colors is also colors, and one by one you can colors write it that box items. Here it is the first color. If you are laughter 1 second break. Okay, yeah, colors is finishing there Gagan sai neatly one by one items is finishing there. Yeah, so that's why the item food item is the orange box below that all colors are mentioning there compulsory. Yeah, food color is that orange and here it is the health is the 42 degrees and blue color. So that's why health is the blue color box below that all are the colors mentioning there. Which box which color is a clothing is the yellow color. And next is the this is that educating is this color only, maroon color and black color. Okay, savings is the black color. This is that you can understood Gagan side table data and you can draw the pie charts data. You can both are you can understood Gagan side neatly. Okay, so shall I start the next problem? Next is the fourth problem. First of all I read in our textbook only in our problem. pie charts problem. Fourth problem, our second one is also, third is also finishing there in that bar paper. So next is the fourth one. First of all, I read in our textbook only. I read, draw a pie charts for the following data. Time spent by a child during a day. Time spent for sleep, school, play, others. Time spent 8 hours, 6 hours. Sleeping time is that 8 hours. And school time is 6 hours. Play is that 2 hours. And others is also 8 hours. So that's why this is the given data. Here it is. You can draw the pie charts and your table also. You can draw the here it is. And this is also the same problem. You can listen better solutions. You can write down the solutions. Yeah, first of all, you can draw the, with any convenient radius, you can draw the one circle only. Okay? Yeah, first. Okay, yeah, this is that here is 0. This is the only center part. That is also, you can draw the line. That is also A, and you can after later you can draw the table. Give me the scale, Gagan, sign neatly on the scale. So that's why I can draw the table. Yeah, first one is columns wise. Yeah, first one is the time spent. Time spent. First column is the time spent. Next one is the time. And next one is the ratio. Okay, ratio. Next is the angle. Okay, Gagan Sai, here draw the table. Gagan Sai neatly bell Bangara neatly Gagan Sai. Yeah, next. Yeah, first one is the time spent is the first child during daytime for child, time spent for child. First one is the sleeping, and next one is the school. Okay, another is also play, another is the others. Okay, time is the sleeping is the 8 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours, 8 hours. Okay, ratio means is the, what is the time total is that 10, 8 to 10, 14, so 24 hours. Okay, 24, total is the 24 hours, total time is the 24 hours. Okay, yeah, next ratio you can write it, the ratio, sleep ratio 8 by 24, total only, time by total time. So that's why is the 24. 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So that's why is the 1 by 3. 8 3 ja 24. So that's why is the 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 360 degrees. Circle, total angle of that center of the circle is 360 degrees. So that's why you can 360 degrees. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6 and 0. So that's why is the 120 degrees. Okay, Gagan, I neatly understood. Okay. Next one, school. School is also a time by total times 24. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. So that's why is the 1 by 4. So that's why is the 1 by 4 into 360 degrees equal to 4 1 ja 4 9 ja. So that's why is the 90 degrees. Next one is the 2. 2 by total time 24 equal to 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So that's why is the 1 by 12. 1 by 12 angle equal to 1 by 12 into 360 degrees. So that's why is the 12 1 ja 12 3 ja 12 30 ja 360. So that's why is the 30 degrees. Next is the 8. 80 by 24. 8 1 ja 8 3 ja 24. So that's why is the 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into angle 360 degrees. So that's why is the 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 120 degrees. Last one is also 120 degrees. Total is the calculation of the total 60 degrees, and here it is also 120 120 240. Okay, 240 120 or 6 3 360 degrees. Okay, Gagansai, neatly understood?
Okay, understood.
All are angles sum equal to neatly sum equal to all are the 360 degrees. Okay, Gagan, so here you understood of this all are the measuring of the taller angles you can here it is. So one by one you can draw that the pie charts. You can pie charts. You can one by one you can using the protractor, using it all are the angles are you can draw that the all are the angles only. So that's why is the first angle. First same procedure Gagan, so in a previous problem. Yeah, this is the first one is the 120. What's one is the sleeping time. So that is the 120 degrees. Here it is at 100 here it is the 120 degrees. Okay, Gagan Sai. Angles are you can draw the all are the angles one by one you can draw. Here it is angles 120 degrees. What's the either this is sleeping. Okay, sleep only. And next one is the another one is the school is the 90 degrees. You can draw the 90 degrees. It is the 90 degrees. Okay, 0 60 70 here it is the 90 only. This is the 90 degrees. 90 degrees is the school. 5 charts you can measuring all of the angles. Here next one is the play is the 30 degrees only. So that's why you can is the one more time spent is the 30 degrees play. 1 2 3 only. Okay, this is the 30 degrees. What's the 30 degrees is the play. And next is the others. Others is that 120 degrees. So that's why you can check Gagan sir neatly if it's is it correct, it's wrong. So this is the is it correct? Yeah, it is also 120. Remaining is the 120 degrees. Okay. లేదంటే అదర్ వే ఆల్సో దిస్ లైక్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ బేస్డ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లైన్ ఓన్లీ. సో దట్స్ వై యూ కెన్ బేస్ దిస్ లైక్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో 120. హియర్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో 120. Both base. This line is also both of 120 and this line is also 120. So the remaining is all this angle is the 120 degrees, and that is also you can others. Okay. Yeah, if it's colors, all other colors gagan say neatly one by one colors, and you can here it is boxes 1 2 3 4 times pens only, so that's why you can 4 boxes, you can draw the 4 boxes. Yeah, one by one. Yeah, what's the first one is the sleep only. Yeah, second one is the school, and third one is the play, and fourth one is the others. Okay, you can colors total is the 360 only. You can first colors fill. Yeah, finishing colors. Yeah, this is that can understood. You can say neatly pie charts. Colors, boxes given below that pie charts. You can below that boxes. Here it is the first box is the sleep. Okay, and second one is the school. School, this model of the box, and you can third one is the blue play, and fourth one is the others. You can understand again say neatly. Yeah, this is the fourth problem solution. You can understand, draw a table and draw a pie charts only. Yeah, next one is the last problem. Yeah, this chapter, in this chapter is the last problem. Chapter is also over. Gagan say, first of all I read in your textbook. Gagan say neatly. The first one. The adjoining pie charts gives the expenditure on various items during a month for a family. The numbers written around the pie charts tell us the angles made by each sector at the center. Your figure here it is the textbook. In your textbook figure is there, so that's why you can observing that figure, you can neatly observing gagan sai. Here pie charts all are the angles are also each sector angles are mentioning there in that one only. Yeah, this is that first one. You can below that there are some boxes is also there. What's the first one is that this is the savings only. Same model of that small boxes there in that below that some boxes. This is the first one is the savings. Savings is the 90 degrees, and here it is that dots is also education is the 60 degrees, and is that this is the checks, so that is also rent only. This is the 90 degrees of the rent, and given data, these all is that from the table, from that figure you can all are that explaining in our figure, explaining that given data. Can say here it is the empty of that box is the food only, that is the 120 degrees, represented by the 120 degrees angle only. Next, answers the following questions. It is all are that 1 2 3 4 questions are there in that the below questions. Yeah, first questions, on which item is the expenditure minimum? What is the items can all are that items are there gagan say neatly. What is the items is that expenditure is a minimum? You can tell me that from the figure, you can tell me that answers one by one. Gagan say neatly. What is that minimum? Minimum is the 90 or 120, 90, one is the 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is the minimum only. Minimum means is the 60 degrees is the, what's the 60 degrees? Education. Okay. Education is the minimum. And next is the second one. On which item is the expenditure is maximum? What is the maximum? Maximum is the empty color only, white color. That is the 120 degrees. 120 degrees empty box is the food only. That is the maximum expenditure. Next is the third problem. If the monthly income of the family is rupees 9,000 rupees, what is the expenditure on rent? Yeah, what is the total center of that circle of that angle is total angle of that circle gagan say 360 degrees. So here it is also total family income, total monthly income is also 9,000. What is the expenditure on rent? Rent is already given in that from the figure. You can rent is also there. You don't know that answer. 60 degrees of the rent only. Okay. You can find out that rent expenditure of the rent. You can find out that only. So this is the problem. You can write down the solutions. Gagan say neatly solutions. You can write down step by step. This is the figure. From figure. Okay. Yeah, from figure. Yeah, first answer. What's the first answer? On which item is the expenditure minimum? Minimum is the what's the expenditure is the minimum? Education. Education is the minimum only. So that's one is the second. Second answer is the what's the second answer? Second, on which item is the expenditure is the maximum? Maximum is the empty. That is also empty is the food. Food is the second answer. And next is the third one. Yeah, third one is the what was if the monthly income of the family is 9,000 only. What is the expenditure on rent? So first is the total income. Total income. What is the total income of the family is total income of the family. Family equal to rupees of 9,000. Total degrees is also what is the represented by the circle is a total angle, that is also 360 degrees. Here it is a total angle circle. Total angle circle. Total angle circle equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Yeah, what is the rent? Rent, find out the expenditure of the rent, you can find out it. And next is the what's the expenditure of rent? Already our rent is represented by that one only, so that's why is the expenditure. Okay, rent represented by rent is what's are given from figure. Rent is represented by what's the angle? Rent is already given, that is that what's the rent is 90 degrees. Okay, you can find out this one only. So that's why expenditure on rent equal to, so 360 degrees total equal to 9,000 rupees. So 90 degrees, how much of the 90 degrees? Okay, you can understand, I can say means is the 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 9,000 only. Okay, so that's why is a 0 0 cancel, 9 1 ja 9 4 ja 9 4 ja 36. So that's why is a 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 8 1. So that's why 110 4 2 ja 8 4 5 ja 0. Okay, understood, I can say therefore expenditure, and this is also total angle is the 360 degrees and total income is also 9,000 only. So that's why 360 degrees is at 9,000 rupees. If it's 90 degrees, how much? Okay, we can step by step 90 cross of this, like 90 cross by this one only, degrees by degrees into total amount. What's our expenditure on rent? Expenditure on rent equal to rupees of 2,250 rupees. Okay, next one is the another one, fourth bit. You can understand, I can say neatly. Yeah, another one represented. These all is one by one represented are the only angles also there. So that's why you can is the if the expenditure on food is also given here it is. So that's why is the expenditure on food. Expenditure on food represented by or either equal to this like only, otherwise represented by what's the 3,000 only. Okay, what is the expenditure on education? What is the expenditure on education? Expenditure on education. You can find out the second expenditure from figure. You can expenditures are represented by the what's the angle? What's the angle is represented by the expenditure and education. Education is the 60 degrees only. Okay, from figure. What is that? Expenditure on education. Expenditure expenditure on education. Education equal to what's our 60 degrees. Okay, so that's why converts here it is Gagan sign neatly. Here it is the expenditure on food is also represented by the angle. That is the angle is equal to what's our angle? 120 degrees. So 120 degrees angle equal to 120 degrees of angle of food equal to 3000 rupees. So 60 degrees how much? Okay, so that's why is the 60 by 120. 60 by 120 into 3000 rupees. So that's why 0 0 cancel. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 12 and 2 1 ja 1. Next is the 2 5 ja 10. So that's why is the 1500 rupees. You can understand answer neatly. Therefore expenditure represented, you can write it the represented, otherwise you can leave it only. And this is that expenditure on education. What's are asking here? It is that expenditure. You can find out the expenditure. So that's why education equal to rupees of, what's the answer? 1500 rupees. This is the answer. Okay, this one is the this one only, and this is the answer only. Okay, you can understood Gagan say, but don't no place only. So that's why you can all other the exercise, all problems and solutions is completed. On this chapter is also finishing. So that's why you can understood Gagan say neatly. All are that exercise problems, 5 problems you can understood Gagan say neatly. You can understood step by step. Expenditure on food represented, and expenditure on food is represented by this like only. Represented by the order from figure. This is also from figure. Okay, expenditure on food is here, it is the given data, here it is the 3000 rupees, and here expenditure on food is represented by, there is a from figure, you can use a 120 degrees. Okay, but no space, so that's why you can directly write it only. You can expenditure on education, you can find out the expenditure on education from figure. Expenditure on education are represented by that from figure. You can already given here, it is a from figure 60 degrees. So that's why is a 120 degrees amount is a 3000 is 60 degrees. How much? This is that. You can know that understood. Gagan say neatly understood. Yeah. All are that. This is that. All are the exercise 4. All problems and solutions. Yeah. And the chapter is also over. And this is the notes for this chapter notes. Yeah, 7th chapter is completed. Gagan say neatly. Say thank you. All are that exercise, all are the notes is also. This is the notes for your notes. Say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan Sai.
Say bye bye.
Yeah, say bye bye. Yeah, next week I will meet you next chapter. Say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan Sai. Say bye bye.